Namaste friends, my name is Sachin Usapkar. I am practicing natural well-being and toxic-free living since 2008. I believe in empowering committed people with the ancient and proven natural restorative techniques. I welcome you all to this series of miraculous oils for natural well-being. So today I will be discussing about one natural oil which almost everyone on this planet Earth is using in one or other form, but may not be aware of its miraculous benefits by knowing how to use it correctly. So across the globe, people are becoming aware of dangers of falling ill and a vicious cycle of expensive healthcare. And more people are now focusing on making healthy changes in their lifestyle and have started enjoying natural health and longevity. So let's learn about why we should use coconut oil on daily basis and how we can keep ourselves in best health. Worldwide experts are saying that extracting oil from coconuts and consuming it and reaping healthy benefits has a recorded history of 4,000 plus years. Its properties, uses and benefits are mentioned in worldwide followed Vedic text called Sushruta Samhita. So as per Sushruta Samhita, coconut oil has pitta pacifying or cooling properties. Changes in heat and temperature create a disturbance in pitta dosha, which is associated with the fire element and causes sensitivity, irritation and inflammation with diffused redness. So as per Sushruta Samhita, coconut oil provides pure nourishment and improves immunity and strength. And it is proven highly beneficial beyond doubt in restoring and maintaining skin health, dental health, hair health, brain health, heart health, immune system, joint health, healthy weight, healthy condition by using it for cooking, consuming it internally and using externally on whole body. So let's discuss some modern evidence-based facts about coconut which was already being practiced by ancient people. As per major medical journals published all over the world, coconut oil is the only oil which contains zero cholesterol, zero fiber and zero protein. More than 90% of the fats found in coconut oil are medium chain triglycerides. That means they are very good for the body. So coconut oil contains these unique and healthy fatty acids which are capric acid, caprylic acid and lauric acid. So these fatty acids have potent antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains vitamin E, vitamin K and iron, which are responsible for immunity, healthy bones and for improving quality of blood. Now let's understand 6 very important benefits of coconut oil consumption. Number 1. Oxidative stress and free radicals, which degenerates our body on a regular basis, is directly linked with osteoporosis and early aging. So as coconut oil is a very effective antioxidant, abundant polyphenols found in coconut oil can fight oxidative stress and it prevents loss of bone density and can fight osteoporosis. Number 2. The fats which are found in coconut oil supports the glands like adrenal and naturally balances the cortisol levels, which in turn improves stress response, regulation of blood sugar and can help fight infections. Number 3. It helps with food digestion as it contains healthy fat soluble components like vitamins and magnesium. And it also eliminates toxic bacteria and candida which fights poor digestion and stomach inflammation. This can also help prevent stomach ulcers. Number 4. It is excellent natural fat burner. As explained earlier, coconut oil contains medium chain triglycerides which burn the unhealthy fat and help lose weight if consumed internally, as well as lose inches from your belly if applied externally followed with steam. Number 5. It boosts immunity. The healthy fatty acids such as capric acid, caprylic acid and lauric acid and vitamin contents have potent antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 6. Excellent skincare. Coconut oil as excellent moisturizer can prevent dryness, itchiness, fungal infections if applied externally. So apart from these, coconut oil has many more benefits. Now, which coconut oil is correct for raw consumption? Which coconut is right for cooking? Which coconut oil is right for external application? How to use coconut oil for excellent dental care? What are the 10 major benefits in skin care and how to use it for different body parts? What is the difference between cold pressed and hot pressed oil? What is the difference between refined oil and organic oil? What is virgin coconut oil? We shall see all these things in the next video. So subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of next video. Also post your queries in the comment box, which I shall try to cover in the next video. So see you in the next video of this series of miraculous oils for natural well-being. Thank you.